welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm one half of the channel, the other being my sister Brandy, who uploads on Wednesdays. So if you would like to catch her, then definitely hop on Wednesday's upload dates to check her out. In today's video, I did a sort of flower inspired eye look for Plant a Flower, I guess you could say national day in March. So I ended up following a picture right here that I will post on the screen for you guys. It is a really gorgeous flower and I've never seen it before. So that is my inspiration for today. I hope you guys like it and this is how it turned out. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and show you how I did it. I already have the base of my face makeup done, so if you're interested in what I used, I will leave it down below for you guys in the description box, so just be sure to check down there for any and all information of everything that I use on my face, including what I will be putting on for eyeshadow today. I do already have mascara on. My lashes aren't curled, they just kind of flopped down as they normally do. There's some stick straight lashes and I'm not fortunate with naturally curly ones, but so normally I would be, applying eyeshadow, then curling my lashes and applying mascara, but we're doing things a little differently today, so just forgive me. Really quick, I do want to kind of show y'all some palettes that I will be using. Maybe not all of them, maybe all, I don't know, we'll kind of see on where this look takes us. But for the first palette I chose is the Profusion Festival palette. I know from the glare it's very annoying, I'm so sorry, but it's just the ring light. Second palette I chose and picked out is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette, which looks like this. I am using a new camera sort of for this type of video. I'm just testing things out. But last palette is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, which is going to be the original. So this is the very first palette she ever made with Morphe, or I think in collaboration. I think she's had one before, but anyways, that's besides the point. So I'm going to kind of zoom in a little closer. We'll kind of see how close I need to get, and then we're going to go ahead and get started into making this flower-inspired makeup for Plant a Flower National Holiday, or National Day, whatever you want to call it. Starting off with the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette, the Bright Lights, I'm going in with the shade called Cloud, which looks like this. So it's this bright blue shade. And I'm going to run that into my crease. I'm actually going to stick with the same palette, and instead I'm going to go into the shade called Pop Rocks, which is this nice bright purple right here where my finger's pointing. So there is like a sort of like maroony, like purple red kind of color, and the best color that came to mind that I could find in my collection that was similar is going to be the shade called Jax, which is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection, collaboration, excuse me. So it's going to be this shade right here called Jax. So this. So I went ahead and ran the blue shade from the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette called Cloud, as well as the Pop Rocks purple shade on the lower lash line. And then on like the very outer corner, I used the Jax shade from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And lastly, for the bright yellow middle center of the flower, or for my last shade, I'm going to be using the shimmer called Headliner from the Profusion palette, which looks like this. Done with the final and completed look. So this is how it looks with lashes and of course a lip color or lip gloss in this case that I chose. Lip gloss is from Wet n Wild. It is from their Liquid Catsuit lip gloss line. I know they had a matte version, but then they came out with the lip gloss version, so that is what's on the lips. And I believe the shade is called Send Nudes. It's a really random name for it, but hey, that's what it's called. So this is how it looks and completed. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to see where people like it and don't like it. I'm on the fence. I think like the colors are pretty. I think I probably could have done just maybe a different sort of like arrangement of the colors. I don't know, we'll see. But my lashes are the Ardell Wispies. They're not the Demi Wispies, they're just the Wispies in the multi-pack. Something that I absolutely love. They're just a staple in anybody's collection, if I'm being completely honest. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Sorry for being a little different and for my, just different setup for recording, and then just getting used to the placement of where I need to focus my eyes and center myself and all of that, editing behind the scenes stuff. But I do appreciate you guys watching and taking the time out of your day to see this like flower inspired eye look that I created. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I will see you on Sunday's actual video upload, and then we will continue our bonus videos for the month of March. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Have an awesome rest of your day and your week, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye, guys. If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.